Working on a 2006 Ford F-150. This one has an issue with the odometer display. As you can see, the odometer display is blank. So we're going to go ahead and remove this cluster and get it repaired. To remove the cluster, you got to remove this panel right here. It's held on by two 7mm screws, one on each side, and then the panel just pops off. As you can see, it's those two clips, one on each side. And then there's another 7mm right there, and one on this side. Once these two are removed, start working this panel off. Just pull back like that, comes right off. I'm going to drop the steering wheel. And the shifter. What we got left is 4 7mm screws, one on each corner. And to remove these plugs, you push down on this tab and pull back on this. So, just like that. Once the screws are removed, we need to remove the shift indicator. You could either remove it from here or from the bottom. But I like to remove it from the cluster itself. Basically, what you need to do is there's two tabs. There's basically two tabs inside here that you need to move inward and pull down. Once I get it out, I'll show you how it works. So it's these two tabs. As you can see, it locks into the cluster with these tabs on the sides. So when you hook this with your finger and pull down, it comes loose. Now that it's out, we're going to go ahead and repair this. Cluster back in the truck. As you can see, the odometer works. Alright, if you need this service, feel free to send it in. I'll include a link below to our website. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.